Okay guys, this is the first update of the season. It's currently May 12th, and right now we have 2 pumpkins in the ground and a third one that I'll plant in a day or 2. This is the new site right here. It's pretty much in the forest, but we got a pumpkin there and one over there, and I got room for one more. I gotta do a little more clearing, but it'll be up there somewhere behind that big pile. So yeah, this is what we're working with. Let me give you an overview of it. I'll climb up these steps I made on this hill so you can see from above. This is the area. It was pretty much all forested, but I cut down these trees with the axe and everything. Yeah, so I'm still cleaning it up a bit, but we have a lot of clear area over here, and this is where the pumpkins are. Now let me show you the plants. They're not doing the best right now. I made these little enclosures to stop them from getting damaged from the wind. This one I put in a little too late and the plant got pretty beat up. I'll show you guys. This is the first one I put in. This was put in like 5 days ago or so, but the leaves got pretty shredded up because I didn't put this net up early enough. But this net's been up for a few days. Plants are wilting a bit because it's really hot. First real hot few days have just been like today and yesterday. So the plants are wilted. I'll get them a little more water. And here's the other one. It's a little bit better because the wind didn't damage it, because I had this net up right from the start. So yeah, these are the 2 plants. The one at home's way bigger because it's just been growing and growing in the pot right now. It's probably a little root bound, but we'll see. I'm thinking of putting it at probably up on this hill somewhere by this big stump. But yeah, I'll probably put it up here and let it grow down the hill over to there. Just to show you guys, this is the soil that we're working with. Yeah, very sandy, just like the other soil we had, but it's got a little more clay content, and this topsoil is a lot deeper too. Over here, I think where this plant is, it's probably at least 2 feet. The other plant, it's got like maybe almost a foot of topsoil, but that's a huge improvement over last year. Last year we were growing in like 2 inches or so, and it was just real sand. It was drying out super quick. So hopefully if I can get the nutrients under control, this will be a lot better situation. Yeah, it's very low nutrient wise. The calcium is actually extremely low. So I got some of this stuff, NutriCal, I don't know, but I've been putting a lot of it down. We're gonna need a ton to cover this place, so I'll be working soon to get some more money and hopefully can afford more fertilizer. I've only put it down right where the plants are at the moment, over there and over there, and I should have enough for the other plant when I put it in. I'll show you the soil tests up on the screen right now, but they are extremely bad. I think the only thing in range is the phosphorus, and it's still quite on the low end. So that's it. That's all for the first update. Things are going fairly well. Plants aren't looking the best, but I think they'll make it through. And yeah, see you later.